LSD token claim steps tutorial. Access the L7 official website DAPP. Launch the app and connect your wallet. Open the top right menu and click on Earn. Click on Assets. Click Claim for LSD. The available claim amount will be displayed on the left. Enter the desired claim amount and click Claim. Please note that there is a 10% transaction fee, which will be deducted directly. Then simply wait for the blockchain processing time. For demonstration with the TP wallet, make sure you have added LSD to your assets list. In the search bar at the top, enter LSD or paste the token contract address. The LSD should appear in the list. Refresh and wait for the LSD to arrive.